The Syrian Air Force carried out a powerful airstrike at 6:54 p.m., hitting a terrorist convoy as it advanced in Talbiseh, north of the Homs countryside, today on December 6, 2024. Syrian Army forces entered Homs with the support of Russian helicopters, attacking terrorist cells released by Turkey, and have now entered the city of Talbiseh after Hama fell, triggering an attack on Homs by sleeping terrorist groups before the ceasefire in Lebanon. The video shows Russian Ka-52 Alligator helicopter and Mi-8 helicopter are seen releasing their powerful flares towards the convoy on the streets, which are flanked by city buildings. One moment from the terrorists' camera frames shows a very strong explosion heard as the airstrike hits a position near them. Events in Syria are moving very fast right now. This morning, the terrorist group led by Hayat Tahrir al-Sham HTS has been carrying out aggression against the legitimate Syrian government forces since November 27, and claims to have now entered the city of Talbiseh, 10 kilometers from the city of Homs. The fall of Hama, which forced the population to flee amidst increasing violence and instability due to their presence, has now triggered an attack on Homs. Footage documents the presence of their convoys passing through Rastan and Talbiseh, which are planned to go further south along the highway to Homs, and it is clear that this will bring danger to innocent civilians, women and children. Today, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, who mobilized HTS terrorists under Islamic symbols, announced and began to speak out about the dirty war on Syria. As the city of Homs prepares to defend itself from HTS gangs, Erdogan expects HTS to reach Damascus. If Homs falls, HTS is less than 25 kilometers from Damascus, which separates Syrian coast from the ports of Tartus and Latakia, and furthermore to Golan border. However, on the same day, it was reported that Syrian Arab Army withdrew from positions along Euphrates River, deploying armored units to reinforce Homs, the country's third largest city after Aleppo. Syrian Defense Ministry confirmed that there is no truth in media reports about the withdrawal of troops from Homs. The Defense Ministry confirmed that Syrian Arab Army is present in Homs and its surrounding areas, and is deployed in a fixed and solid defense line of great strength, equipped with various types of equipment and weapons, and ready to repel any attack.
Ve Humus hedef tabi Şam. Muhaliflerin bu yürüyüşü şu an itibariyle devam ediyor. Biz de bunu gerek istihbarat gerekse bütün medyadan takibini yapıyoruz. Tabii temennimiz kazasız belasız bir şekilde Suriye'deki bu yürüyüş devam etsin diyeceğim. Ama terör örgütleriyle birlikte oradaki bu direniş devam ederken bizim de hatırlarsanız Esed'e bir çağrımız olmuştu. Gel görüşelim ve Suriye'nin geleceğini birlikte belirleyelim, tayin edelim demiştik. Ne yazık ki tabii Esad'dan bu işe olumlu bir cevap. Şu an itibariyle tabii İdlib, Hama ve Humus hedef tabii Şam. Muhaliflerin bu yürüyüşü şu an itibariyle devam ediyor. Biz de bunu gerek istihbarat gerekse bütün medyadan takibini yapıyoruz. Tabii temennimiz kazasız belasız bir şekilde Suriye'deki bu yürüyüş devam etsin diyeceğim. Ama terör örgütleriyle birlikte oradaki bu direniş devam ederken bizim de hatırlarsanız Esed'e bir çağrımız olmuştu. Gel görüşelim ve Suriye'nin geleceğini birlikte belirleyelim, tayin edelim demiştik. Ne yazık ki tabii Esad'dan bu işe olumlu bir cevap